We are all connected through our common humanity in a way that can transcend our differences. Despite geographic, cultural, and linguistic divides, we have the potential to come together to work towards a common goal. In this presentation, we will explore how we can break down barriers and create understanding to better collaborate on a global scale. Today, we are discussing how fostering global collaboration can bridge cultures and borders, and how it has become increasingly important in our interconnected world. Through working together with peers from different backgrounds, students gain valuable skills, such as intercultural understanding, communication, and collaboration, that will serve them well in the future. By coming together, we can create an environment of mutual respect and understanding, where everyone can share their knowledge and experience. Let's explore how we can foster global collaboration and make education more accessible for all. The interconnected nature of our modern world has made global collaboration more important than ever. By joining forces and pooling resources, we can tackle some of the most pressing challenges facing our planet. Global collaboration also allows us to embrace and celebrate the diversity of cultures and backgrounds. We can use the knowledge, skills, and ideas from different cultures to promote creativity, empathy, and problem-solving. Through global collaboration, we can build a brighter future for all. Today, people are connected through technology as never before. Despite language and cultural differences, we are able to collaborate and learn from each other across the globe. By understanding and respecting cultural differences, we can begin to bridge cultures and borders and create meaningful collaborations on a global scale. Thanks to advances in technology, culture and language are no longer a barrier to international collaboration. We can now build bridges between cultures and borders and foster meaningful collaborations on a global scale. By understanding and respecting cultural differences, we can create opportunities for effective communication and collaboration, no matter the distance or language barriers. The advantages of bridging cultures and borders in education can have far-reaching consequences. By exposing students to different points of view, they can cultivate empathy and develop beneficial communication and collaboration skills. Additionally, it can boost their creativity and problem-solving skills, enabling them to come up with innovative solutions to complex problems. In our increasingly globalized world, bridging cultures and borders is an essential and constructive way to foster collaboration. As we come to the conclusion of this presentation, let us look to the future together and strive to form a more connected world. In today's interconnected environment, it is vital to foster global collaboration and bridge cultures and borders. Doing so will lead to increased creativity, empathy, and problem-solving skills, as well as a more inclusive and understanding atmosphere. Although there are challenges that come with connecting with people all over the world, such as language barriers and time zone differences, there are strategies to overcome these obstacles and create a more connected learning environment. By using technology, promoting cultural exchange programs, and promoting open communication, we can truly create a brighter future. So, let us come together, break down barriers, and build bridges to form a more connected world.